Hi everyone, and hello to all of my water filter fanatics out there. Today I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial, review, and water quality analysis of the Crystal Quest bath ball water filter. So for those of you who enjoy a nice hot bath, or like myself have young children whose primary form of getting clean is via a bath, having clean and purified bath water is most likely important to you. Additionally, this product can work great for people who have certain skin conditions like psoriasis or eczema. I myself have some pretty significant eczema, so really need a filter, whether that's on my shower head or my bath faucet. So using a filter like this can really soften your skin, especially if you have hard water. And since we're coming into these colder months ahead where your skin can get pretty dry. So let's get into the tutorial. So here we have the actual filter. So this again is the Crystal Quest bath ball water filter. You can see the packaging it comes in here. And on the side, I'll read this because it's explains what's in the filter. So unfiltered water coming through household faucets can contain harsh chemicals and heavy metals. Crystal Quest uses 4 naturally occurring organic media to pull out dangerous toxins and remove worry from drinking water. We use a combination of coconut shell granulated activated carbon and catalytic carbon, in addition to our Eagle Redox alloy technology, a combination of zinc and copper alloys. Together, these ingredients pull out toxins and enhance the water to put your mind at ease. So again, that's what's contained in this filter. So there is 1 bath ball and a cartridge. Here we have the packaging. It's an actual bath ball. So you can see, you can actually slide it off. And here's the filter. You can see all those carbon shells in there. Put that back in here. Twist that back on. So in here is obviously the filter, and then we have 2 hanging devices, which I'll show next. I actually didn't end up needing this. This is the only one that I needed. So this is what I'll demonstrate next. It comes in this white filter here, and then it comes in a chrome. And on the website, it suggests that if you have hard water, I actually have hard water, we have well water, so our water can get pretty hard, to use the white filter because it lasts longer. It's more durable than the chrome filter, so FYI. One other thing to note before you use this filter, it's very important that you run this under cold water for 10 to 15 minutes prior to first use. Okay, so we've changed locations to the bathroom so I can show you how this thing works. So here we have the bath ball filter, and here we have our hanging device. So it's really easy, you guys. All you gotta do is take this hanging device and click it into any 2 of these 4 holes here. So just click it right in. So it looks like this. And again, this is after you run it through cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you take this, and all you do is hang it on your faucet. Woo! Now I've used this a couple of times, and as you can see, there's still some kind of black carbon coming out of it. But again, that'll go away after, the first few uses. But it's really simple. You just plug in the hanging device, throw it on the faucet, and you are good to go. Now that we've done the actual tutorial on the bath ball filter, I thought it would be interesting to do an actual water test of the water quality after using the filter. So I'm gonna test out the water. Here in this mason jar, I have the water that came from the bath ball filter. And then here in this glass is just water without the filter, straight from the bath faucet. So I have 2 different testing methods here. I have a TDS stick. So TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids. TDS isn't necessarily a bad thing to have in your water. It just means there's stuff in your water, like minerals and salts. So this will test that. This is the 16-in-1 water test kit. So it comes with a bunch of strips that test for things like hardness, chlorine, iron, copper, lead, nitrates, fluoride, and so forth. So we're gonna be using both of these methods. Let's start with the TDS testing first. So first we'll stick it in the unfiltered water. Okay, so sticking it in the unfiltered water, we're at about 487 parts per million of TDS. So I'm gonna clear this and give it a little shake. And now we'll test the water from the bath ball filter. Put it in there. Okay, so right away we are at 464. So 487 to 464, that's a pretty good difference. Okay, now we'll take a water test strip. Here I have my 2 testing strips. So it says to get the best results, they need to be read within 30 seconds of dipping in the water. So I'm gonna dip them in both at the same time. So again, on the right here, I have the unfiltered water. On the left here in the mason jar, I have the water coming from the bath filter. So I'm gonna dip them in, 1, 2, take them out, line them up. The bottom is the filtered water, and we'll see what appears here. So at first glance, definitely seeing a couple differences here. On the bottom again is the water that's coming from the bath filter. So seeing some differences within the carbonates, the alkalinity, and also the chlorine. So the bottom is lighter than the top, which is what we want since the bottom strip came from the bath ball filter. As far as my personal review in using the bath ball filter over the last few days, I would recommend this product. It's incredibly easy to use. We did see a difference in the water quality using the bath ball filter with the 2 testing methods. And most importantly, I've used the filter with my kids' bath the last 2 nights. And normally when they get out of the bath, their skin is super dry. I have to put lotion on it. Again, we have pretty hard water here. But the last 2 nights in using the bath ball filter, I haven't needed to use lotion on them at all. Their skin came out feeling super soft, almost like it was already moisturized. So that was a huge bonus for me. Lastly, this bath ball filter is around $65. The replacement on the filter is every 12 to 18 months, so that lasts a pretty long time. A filter replacement is around $35. So all in all, really not a bad investment for all of the added health benefits that you're getting by using this product. So 2 thumbs up, and thank you for watching my video.